Hello, everybody. This is the first time you've seen Alexander and Gostas. This is Constantine. He came home last week. I got him so he could play with Alexander. As you can see, Gostas playing with something he shouldn't be playing. But this is Costa. Ticanis Costa. How are you? He went to the vet this afternoon and had his first round puppy shots. Alexander's going to go next week. Alexander is about 6 years old, and Constantine is about 3 months old. Don't forget to subscribe, and post comments on, and I'll see you soon.